Hello, I'm Peter Beard, and I'm going to share with you today a few tips on how to disagree with someone, at least in a way that doesn't end up with some huge fight. Now, rule number one is don't do it unless you really have to. Is it going to affect the outcome, and is it going to have a significant or important effect? Don't do it because the person irritates you or because your ego needs to point score. Second tip. Always make sure that if you disagree with someone, you're right about what you say. Otherwise, you're going to end up with a hell of a lot of egg on your face, and it's going to be scrambled eggs, and it might even be worse. So check your facts before you open your mouth. Third one, when you're really sure and you really feel you've got to, then try asking permission. It sounds a bit weird, but actually it is jolly effective. All you've got to do is say, "John, could I have your permission to disagree, please?" And you'll find that John will be so flattered that you've recognized his status, that you are asking permission of him. He will go along and say yes. Now, the beauty of it all is once he's said yes, in the back of his mind, he knows he's given you permission and you are right to do so. Now, the fourth tip is be a little bit oblique about it. Don't come out with it directly. Try asking the other person's opinion. So if you disagree, first of all, this requires that you've got to have an alternative proposal, which is always a sound idea. But say to him, "John, what is your opinion of doing it this way?" Or, "John, could you tell me, I'd wondered what would happen if we did it this way." And that way he's going to be once again totally flattered that you've asked for his opinion, and instead of making an enemy, he's going to think actually you're quite a nice guy because you've asked his opinion. Okay, well, that's it. If you want some more, then we are running workshops, and of course there's always webinars on our soft skills training website. Thanks very much. Bye.